The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to Channel 3 for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Broward County Sheriff's Department and the Broward County Public Works Department. Due to an argument over a new road project, there have been threats of a riot. The County Public Works Director says that both sides will come to an agreement, and there is no need to panic. The Broward County Sheriff's Department says they will keep observation of the area to help ensure public safety and prevent any fights or protesters from getting out of control. Please stay inside until the project has been taken care of. The Sheriff's Department urges residents to stay indoors. Schools will be dismissed early today due to the threats. Please stay tuned for updates. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to Channel 3 for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Broward County Sheriff's Department. A riot has overtaken city officials. All citizens in the Coral Springs area are urged to go indoors and turn off all lights, and lock all doors. Bring in any outdoor pets. Schools are in lockdown until riot has subsided, and is safe for children to be released from school grounds. Parents are urged not to go to the school as doors are locked, and you will not be allowed in. Do not call the school, as staff is busy keeping children calm. The school will send you a message when it is safe to do so. Police say it may take up to 3 hours or more to break up the riot. Please stay tuned to local news or media for more information regarding the riot. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to Channel 3 for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Broward County Sheriff's Department and the Department of Public Works. Police have gained control of the riot and have arrested more than 100 people and cited more than 200. The Broward County Sheriff's Department says it is now safe for residents to be outside, but are urged to stay away from the Department of Public Works building until police have removed all protesters from the scene. Schools want parents to wait until they get a call saying it's safe to pick up their children, so that streets can be regulated safely with no accidents of rushing vehicles. Emergency situation is under control, and is safe for citizens to be outside.